Today's I am and this man is the Mukteswar Maharaj's disciples in the spiritual power having. I do not know others. You see this Mukteswar Maharaj, how he take my body figure to take Lord Ramakrishna's posture at Mukteswar Hilly. As if you to say me that he has take any form, any people's form in his body or from underneath. That is actually oldest Mukteswar temple Shiva Mahadev, and the Maharaji was devoted to be who was identified with Lord Shiva at his play. For that is Mukteswar Linga has been recognized as a Jyotir Linga newly, and this is prayed Lord Ramakrishna said, and that he is make heaven and the earth in his one face, in the gaseous space. He is looking very distant. So his twin disciple, probably only these two are surviving with me, and he was at Halishahar Kushanashram to do study, inner art study, to see these people from underneath. Now you see me that at that time that Boirago, what is that Purok Lahiri, who has been killed prematurely. I do not know, probably his health, how much he is still alive. He is a Z1 as a president of the Pushon Trust, and that's why I got this photograph who has been killed, Siddhar. By this year, I to save this Amitabh Bachchan, but in that term they killed Siddhar from Hyderabad, my good friend. I will to quote him, his photograph, this that grief story and the sad story. Now this is my Durga as to inspire little girls who are against these blue whales, as they are getting inspiration. Prakash Karmakar, he is no more. He tried a lot to kill these demons of modern times. So this Durga idols was given for that. These are my Gurudev's some peculiar type of take shaping as a what he termed when very dangerous for these demons to attack them. His astonishing fear, you will be afraid to see his, that you see this, he is dazzling light throwing on that these trees, you see these trees, he has created light from his head. It is not a man-made. All other photo is not like that. We have not man-made. This is a video that is a radiant figure, what I mentioned. He is a radiant figure, and that is a tree background. If you see this is a tree, this is how trees of Himalayas. That is a where this is a, and this same background, if it is, who have that very good microscopic, they can see this is my Gurudev's astonishing figure. He was a Tirtharaj at Allahabad Prayag, who has to give all these pandas 1 rupees as a token, malab kaur. Is not asking, but is supposed to give as a recognition that I have expressed. He has to write and to write also with eye. That is the old temples, what I have mentioned. So many people have tried, but these peoples are not. But in this, when I was a student, I was not. In that time, I came home on leave, these peoples, and where Sarat Rai was there, the Bereli group, younger group now has been old, and one has been died due to their made accident, Asu probably. This was the horrible condition, his grief state, when so many people, his brother and disciple, to die prematurely at the hand of such peoples. So he does not inform me about this fearful state of inner, what I could learn now. So this is his body magnified. I am to just copy it from my disciple who collected this photograph from Mukteswar. It is a Mukteswar photograph. This is also when he is to leave at 2019, 99 or 2000, but another time he came 2002. I do not know exactly. Bhogu is now Gujarat. It is a lonely, hilly, mature, that it may be before 80. He was at that time younger state. He to make magnified his body, to float his body in sky. in the air. It is just like Tagore, like post taken when I have last visited with at Mukteswar, as he also permanently left Mukteswar 2010 and to come in the winter Calcutta. I, as due to my service was Calcutta, so that I not accompany him at Mukteswar after 99. But I have met regular up to 2003-4 last days to 2003 January. I have to show this. His older age is the disciple who to take for pilgrimage, giving their arranged cards. This is that oldest photograph, rare photograph is nobody with it. That this lady has been killed by this blue whale again. That was our Mazumdar, was the genetic scientist of Bareilly. I do not know whether he is in body or not, because no communications. That man, he is a scientist of IVR. He is a disciple. Before reaching me, he was a Bengali to help him. So all those photographs I have. So this is a Mukteswar Dharna. It has been memorial at his owns. That is this photograph I mentioned to remember this Rameshwaram Ram or Shiva, as he is that Imavabili Ram or Shiva, I do not know, but he has to memorial this particular photograph to make world beautiful, as Lord Buddha tried to make world beautiful, to help the world people can help in such a way, bringing ruling condition to behave as a king, to destroy anarchic condition of India. This is this photograph I collected in 2004 January. This is photograph I was injured as my Vairagya time just initiated my 94. I was after completing my fundamental course at Hyderabad, I was just made mad. I was not able to concentrate because my scientific mind was anti-cyclic. So I was not so much interested in science since then only. So he states, I have shown this Masberia Hooghly, and this photograph is that I too published in the Calcutta High Court. This I have mentioned in my other videos, these photographs to keep this records so that they cannot copy or abolish these things. I have mentioned all these things. So how he was made sick as not bedridden, but he is very much strong, but still sick. So release time he was not interested to talk. People, I have written all this matter you can read now. That's Sisya Mukteswar Maharaj Ji, all his devout soul, heart-touching, devotional, religious and philosophical. And this is Om Namah Mukteswaram Shivaya Namo, Om Namah Shivaya Gurave Namo, Mukteswar Maharaj Ji. Raina was given, Savita Raina, and this is the oldest temple's photograph. That is this. All this is photographs. He is under the as if he is floating in air. Because sometimes we are not able to take photograph because he was a transparent body. He is in cosmic rays plane, whether the cosmic light cannot be catch with ordinary light visionary camera. That is the reasons what I have perceived when I got the spiritual inner power. Before getting to read this Gitas, etc., he gave the all inner spiritual knowledge by his mind power. All these disciples from Bareilly, etc., he is probably now retired to Kamala Joshi, Rani Khet, and his wife probably no more. I do not know who are alive and who has been killed. She has been killed. So these people after Karunamai Mukteswar, she has come Kamala Joshi to Calcutta to attend her my Gurudev's youngest sister. But again I have to show this Lord Ramakrishna's posture. This is his posture, doubt you to be with ordinary, because he was in very Vairagya stage. He is not much indulged about earthly matter, to talk anything. Those things at during his ashram inauguration 1950, 1996 December. This is the who have gathered at congregation from Bedeli, etc., Calcutta. These photographs are also this time when I was not there, but this Sarat Rai now at America is my colleague. He was there, I was not there. I came in the month of June, holiday, summer vacation. So after ending my terms course, I come home. The time they are busy. This is the oldest who has been killed first. This 89, the Professor Amit Patatunda. At this time, old time, this is a before 80, 82, 83 time photograph. People to come for astrology, I do not know. This is a to Sabji seller, this boy. And this is Bharati, who is Asa worker, he is from Jharkhand. So to visit, that is my photograph I shown you, and this is my Mukteswar, that is all this now repetition, so I have to complete. So I to इसको बंद करके दे दिया, मैं इसको बंद करके if they can allow me time, I have shown this later, then I gonna to show this later, because if this thing, one video is lost, this is that critical later to over my fight. So you have to remove these things, remember this thing very critically. So those so many things they have destroyed, so many things destroyed, so many things they have locked me. File they have, you see this, I cannot, this is this. They are this, this locking number, they to interfere my computer intrusion. And these people to have to mention, these people who are to do from underneath, this is due to copy, and this is these people are I to Gautam Mukherjee, the criminals, I to mention those two people to deal also religious to mislead us. This is the people who are to be cheated very. And I have mentioned this is a culprit man to have severely attacked last 3-4 years. I do not know, this is the Bendu probably, yes, who have killed my other IIT's professor, friend. The Manikandan from Bengal Veterinary College. All these papers from Bengal Veterinary College, they are very, as a joint to Mr. Culprit, Vidhan Chandra P.C. Vishwadhyaya, agriculturist was there, all those the Prabhat Nandi or something, this man. So now the small figures, I don't know, this thing, our little boys will introduce gradually from their knowing histories. Malini Duggal group, who are not just like Greta, they are known to them group. Greta is a fraud, Greta Thunberg from Switzerland. He is just totally socially culprit ho gaya. He is best, I cannot, these things, I do those photographs to very critical. Due to they are repeatedly they are hindering me. Why they to keep this poster in such a rotated manner? In this time they have rotated. All these calls I to make this government of India in 1916 or that they now you see this they are not allowing me. They have you see this my time period what I am. This zooming is not possible. So they to hinder me this phone number. You to see this phone number that can be read these things. So if it is they hinder me, still you can learn this thing of this phone number. I to call them. On the date, all these things are there. Because Heji, I was unable. I to read the record one diary. Where I mention all those names, even to Malini Duggal, that Florida, then Paddy, etc. and these things, and where I try to, because they will not allow me to move my photograph. I am trying to talk this man. So all the government of India, you see this, the date and the time, all will be there. My phone number I call because all those will not be shown here, but that was number I will show you that in the later stage. Because you see, so because I have repeated time contact with my Nokia phones, probably earlier. That was the time in the government offices, but they do not respond properly. They proper talk, but they take no action. They have to promise, but they do not take any action. They have tried to suppress this fact. So I do, because they are hindering me. You can identify this. These people are very wrong. These people are very wrong. They cannot allow me to, because I have no much time to allow, because you can stop this video and read those matters, just giving glimpses of what I am recording of these things. So many things I have given, ऐसे सबको मैंने लिखा, पूरा कितना का डाइविंग मिनिस्टर है वो मेरा लेटर को हैक किया, उसको ये सब जो है ना संगे, तो जिस तरह का ये जो उल्स टाइप का मेंटालिटी होता है ये लोगों का, ये